Hi, I'm Cody from Enginetech. In this video we're going to talk about our torque converters. Enginetech remanufactured torque converters maintain high quality, OEM standards, and the value of all Enginetech parts. With the no-core program, Enginetech saves you time and money and gets you on to the next job. All of our torque converters go through a 13-point check, bringing them back to OEM standards. The clutches are relined with the highest quality carbon weave clutch materials, and new internal bearings are installed. Computer welded cases and computer balancing do ensure accuracy and OEM standards. Like all other Enginetech parts, no core returns or core charges are ever involved. Our catalog, www.enginetechcatalog.com, offers two ways to search for torque converters to get the right one for your vehicle. The first option would be using the transmission parts search. So in that one you would go in and pick the make of your vehicle, and then you would have the option of choosing by the transmission code or the liters of the engine. Most of the transmissions are going to have the transmission code either stamped into the case or it'll have a tag riveted onto it. Here's a sample image of the Ford car and some of the torque converters that we offer for that. The second method is to use our year search transmission parts function. In that one you will pick the year, make, model, and then again you would have to use the transmission code or the liters of the engine. And here's a sample of that for the 2012 Ford Escape. Now that you've found the right vehicle or transmission code, it doesn't necessarily mean that we offer the right torque converter for you, so it is essential that you read all of the notes and match up the information from that. Each of our torque converters will have an image that shows you the proper information that you'll need to match yours up to ours. And here's an image of the technical information that we offer for those torque converters. So you'll want to match up the diameter, the overall diameter of the torque converter. You want to check the splines of your automatic transmission. The input shaft will give you that, you can count from there. Also, it'll give you the pilot information, the hub. For example, this one is a 1.75 diameter with 2 slots in it. And then on the other side, you'll also want to match up that this one specifically has 3 pads, and you'll see that there's a swatch on many of these where you'll match the color, and also it's likely that your torque converter may already have the code on there to be able to match up from. Enginetech torque converters do come dry, so it's important to follow the pre-fill instructions that come in each box to avoid any pump or hub damage to the torque converter. Remember to always refer to your repair manual for any further installation instructions, and stay tuned for our next video.